So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can restart your iPhone without the side button working for you. For example, if your side button is damaged or something, you can restart your iPhone without even using the side button. Now in order to do it, simply open the settings and here you have to search for assistive, and once you do that, simply click on assistive access, or what you can do, simply go to the accessibility right there, go to touch, and here you'll see this option of assistive touch. Simply enable this. Now once you do that, you'll see a black dot right there. Simply click on that particular black dot, go to device, and here you'll see this option of more. Click on more, and if you can find here only, you'll see this option of a restart. Just simply click on restart and your iPhone will restart without even using the side button. And there are multiple controls that you can use from here also, like they lock the screen, and you can press the action button from here only. You can see right there. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.